Alright, Mimikyu. Today, we're gonna break the new indoor rodeo record. Mimikyu. That's right, Mimikyu. So now, let's go and knock over everything! Yeah! 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 Right there! Yeah! What the? Junior! What do you think you're doing, knocking over everything? I'm breaking the new indoor rodeo record, David, and you can't tell me otherwise. Yes, I can tell you otherwise, Junior, because you're making a mess and my brother's gonna be mad at me! Well, look, David, I'm gonna knock over that pot. No! That's our dinner for tonight! Oh, okay, well. Yeah. Stop! Never. Yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. We did it, Mimikyu. We broke the new indoor rodeo record. Mimikyu. And you also broke my back, Junior! I hate you! Just go to your room, God! Oh, now I gotta clean up this mess. Aww. Oh, come on. Come on, Mimikyu. David's pooping at the party. Aww. Junior, what's wrong? Did you break your record? Well, yeah, but... No, David was being a party pooper. He was pooping at the party. He kicked me out of the kitchen. I broke the record, but he got mad at me and said that I made a big mess. I mean, dude, an indoor rodeo would make... I think an indoor rodeo would probably make a big mess, dude. Yeah, I guess you're right, Joseph. Anyway, guys, what are you doing? We were about to do some prank calls. Yeah, YOLO, dude, turn up. Yeah, YOLO, let's do it. Okay, guys, who do we prank call first? I know. Let's prank call the radio station. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cookie.
Thank you for calling Troll Radio. How may I help you today?
Yes, Troll Radio in person. Is your refrigerator running?
Hilarious.
Dude, that was hilarious. Oh my God. Woo! Hot diggity dang. If I could see the look on that guy's face at the radio station, he would be mad. Woo, boy. Let's do another one. Oh yeah, let's do it. Oh, but dude, who are we gonna call now? Well, I know. Junior, what number are you dialing? Okay, we're gonna prank call Circus Babies. Oh my God!
Thank you for calling Circus Babies Pizza World. What can I do you for today?
Hi, do you guys use Updog in your pizzas?
What are you talking about? And what's Updog? No, man, I'm serious. What is Updog?
Look,
if you don't give me a definitive answer, I'm gonna have to hang up. You know what? I don't need this. Have a nice day.
Oh, whoa! Junior, oh my God, Junior, that was the happiest I've seen you! Guys, I have never in my life ever gotten that to work! Mimikyu. Wait, what, Mimikyu? Mimikyu. Oh, Mimikyu says next we should prank call Nintendo. Oh yeah, Junior, we should definitely prank call Nintendo. Dude, it's gonna be so good. All right, Mimikyu, just for you, we'll prank call Nintendo. Yeah, and also for the laughs. Yeah, dude, these prank calls are too hilarious. I feel like my sides are gonna split, dude. Yeah, guys, okay, let's do it. Let's prank call Nintendo. Yeah, let's do it. Alright. Oh God, Junior, this is gonna be the greatest prank ever. Okay, hey guys, so things all settled. Have we dialed the number? Let's prank call Nintendo. Okay, Junior, I'll press it.
Thank you for calling Nintendo, Con. How may I help you, Con?
Psych! Wrong number!
I'm sick of these prank phone calls. Have a nice day.
Dude! Junior, could you please stop laughing so loud? You're making some of the neighbors mad, and you need to take your ADHD medicine and go to bed. Oh, but David, you already pooped at the party once today. Don't poop at this party. Yeah, David, we don't appreciate you pooping on our parties. Yeah, dude, especially when we're doing prank calls. Wait, prank calls? Junior, you brats know nothing about prank calls. Well, David, you're old. You're an old man. What would you know about prank calls? Mimikyu. What? How dare you? Junior, just because I'm old and I'm a little bit bald, it doesn't mean that I don't know how to do a good prank call. Back in my youth, I used to do tons of prank calls. Really, really funny prank calls. Those that made me laugh half until my heart failed. Okay, if you think you're so good at prank calls, then dial a random number and do a prank call. Okay, Cody, I'll prove to you, brats, that I can do a prank call just like you. Okay. Alright, brats. Are you guys ready for the funniest prank call you ever heard? Not really, David. You're not really, dude. Oh, yes you are. Yes you are.
Thanks for calling more. How can I help you today?
Yes, hi. Are you the owner? Is your refrigerator running?
Not take too kindly to prank phone calls. If you never call this number again, that will be the end of it. We will not look for you. We will not pursue you. But if you do call here again, we will look for you. We will find you. We will bring you back to the mall with us, and we will cut you up into little pieces and serve you with a side of ranch dressing.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What was I thinking? I'm too young! I mean, no, I'm old. I'm old! What was I thinking when I was doing that? David, are you okay? No, Cody, I'm not okay. I've got to go back to my bedroom and repent. I don't want to get killed. Oh, he's pretty much dead meat. Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go to bed. Yeah, we'll do more prank calls tomorrow, guys. Alright, dude.